everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those that don't know me, I'm Jasmine, and today I'm back with my Sephora VIB. Technically it's a haul, but I don't know. Can you consider one item a haul? I don't think so, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got in the Sephora VIB sale. I didn't go all crazy because I'm trying to use products up and it's just such an unpredictable time. But there was one item that caught my eye, and what it was the Sephora Favorites Fresh Squeezed set. So the reason why this caught my eye, and I actually bought it, is because I'm obsessed with skincare right now. I feel like I have a lot more time to do skincare, and this one has some really great products in it. So I just wanted to share with you the products that are in here and kind of my first initial thoughts. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I'm going to jump right in. So just the packaging alone made this look really summery and really nice. So the very first thing that is in here, I haven't tried any of these products yet. I was waiting to film this video, and I know it's late, but we all know that we're getting our products really late just because of what's happening right now. So the first thing that was in here, and this is actually full size, and I think it's around like $40, is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. And I'm really excited if I ever get to travel again. This is something I'm gonna bring because I really like to do a face mask when I'm away, but often I do just like carry on and it's difficult. I don't really want to like bring a mask, and last time I was apparently over on my liquids, and then usually I have to go out and buy a face mask. So this just makes it a lot easier, and I don't think it smells like watermelon. It actually doesn't. So apparently things that are fragranced aren't great for your skin. I'm still learning about skincare. So this one doesn't. So it must be just watermelon because of the color, but the packaging is super cute. I really like the pink matte. So I'm excited to try that. The next thing, and this has been something that has been on my wish list, but I'm really like particular on my eye creams, and I really want something that's gonna work. I find I've wasted a lot of money before on eye creams that aren't great. So this one you get 3 mils, and it's the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Cool. I guess a fact too is that this is my first time trying an Ole Henriksen product, so I'm really excited about that. I've heard great things about this. I heard it has kind of like a yellowy, like a yellowy kind of, it's like a yellowy color, so it helps give that banana bright look. So I'm excited about trying this, and if I like it, I'm probably going to get the full size. But that was something too that was like a really big added bonus for me. I think though that, realistically though, that is a deluxe sample size. It's not very big. The next thing in this was full size, and I haven't tried any of these from the Sephora collection, but this is the Dragon Fruit Lip Scrub, and I've been really obsessed with lip scrubs lately. Right now I'm using the Bite Beauty one and one from Shop Miss A, but when one of those are done, I'll try this. I've been like exfoliating my lips every day because I find they've been really dry, and I think it's because I've been out in the sun and it's been warmer. But I'm excited to try this one. Oh, okay, it's dragon fruit flavored. I won't open it yet, but the packaging is super cute and very summery, and dragon fruit is just so yummy anyway. So that is full size. The next thing is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So I've really started incorporating retinol into my skincare because I am 30 years old now, and I don't want to get old, guys. So I'm actually using the Olay Retinol eye cream, which is working out really well for me. And this one has caught my eye. I really like Glow Recipe products. Right now I'm using their Watermelon Sleeping Mask, which doesn't have any retinol, but it's worked really well on my skin, and this one is moisturizing and firming, so I'm really excited to try this. And it's also perfect too for when I'm traveling because the Watermelon Sleeping Mask, I have the full-size one, and that is definitely not ideal for traveling, especially too where it has, not only is it big, but it has like the glass packaging, so this looks really nice. And I notice in all my videos I talk about traveling. I have to get out of that mindset that it's going to be a while before probably there is going to be any traveling happening. So the next thing that was in here, and I have tried some Marc Jacobs products. I've tried the mascara and absolutely loved it, but I've never tried any of their skincare, and this is kind of a larger size of the Marc Jacobs Youth Quake. It's a Hydrofull Retexturizing Gel Cream. So I'm excited to try this because I've noticed there is a little bit of texture on my skin right now. And this has deep hydration, powerful pineapple enzymes. Your glowy complexion starts here. So that actually sounds really intriguing to me. And you do get 15 mils. So this is a really good size too. And I've heard great things about pineapple enzymes, and I haven't tried those on my skin yet. So I'm really excited to try this. The next thing, and I'm excited about this because I really liked this collection. Heard really good things about this. And this is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I'm just noticing, does anyone notice that like the proportion of the cover to this is really weird? Like it's really long. Oh, okay. It has a pump on it, which is awesome. I like products that have pumps, but I'm really excited to try this. I have both Sweet Peach palettes, and I had the lip gloss as well, and I really liked that. And I've heard really good things about this. I think this is a lot of people's OG products, so really excited about that. Perfect size too. I find sometimes with full-size products, like you just don't use them up because there's so much, so I'm excited about that. The very last product is the Sephora Lychee Face Mask. So this is ultra moisturizing and brightening, and you do get one mask, and it is for your face because, as we know, you can get a mask for like your chin now. You can get one. I have one that's actually for your butt. There's ones for your boobs. Like, yeah. I guess you know, your feet, your fingers, hands, like there's a face mask there's a mask for everything now, but this is actually a face mask, and it says it moisturizes the skin instantly and durably and gives an immediate glow effect. I find a lot of times they really exaggerate that, but it's been a while since I used a Sephora brand face mask, so we'll see about that. But so that was everything I got in the Sephora Favorites Fresh Squeezed set. So the value of this is, I'm in Canada, so I paid $51, but it is $121 value. In the US, you lucky people, you only would pay $39, and it is a $91 value. So overall, I don't regret buying this. I think there's a lot of great products in here for summer and just in general. If you're traveling, if you want to try different products, I find Sephora Favorites kits are either really hit or miss. Sometimes it has like those products that everybody has, which are like, why do I want to buy it then? Or sometimes it has a lot of products you don't have. So that was really why I bought this one. But let me know what you guys think. Have you tried any of these products? Did you buy this set during the sale? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I thank you all for your love and support, and I hope you stay safe.